Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I hope to get perfect per section this week because we have lots of earnings and lots of earnings after hours. This means, according to my observations, I can be wrong at this point, but most of the time when we have after close earnings, IM session tends to be trendy. So I hope to get some sort of volatility this week. So my plan for today. I don't mind to see another move lower, like one more move lower to take. I would say I would like to see something like this. Let me show you. I want to see something like this. At this point, we have, as you can see, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So weekly back to weekly open. So I hope to get drop to move us higher. That's my plan. Maybe I'm asking too much for this drop. Maybe we will stay in the range between 2 and 2.5. Maybe. But I don't really mind to see slightly lower to move us higher. I hope to get something like this. Exactly the same on yes. One more move lower. To move us back to new week opening gap, weekly open my target. So that's my plan to, once again, I would like to see drop, then move higher. Today's Monday, so I have no idea what kind of weekly profile is going to be. So I simply anticipate to get power of 3, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution, that's it. That's it. So trying to keep this simple today, and we'll see how it goes. Good morning, guys. So yeah, we will see. What do you think about this, guys? Seems good? Looks like, right? We don't have any 15-minute smart money reversals yet, so we don't have change in the state of delivery yet. We have absolutely nothing so far. We don't have any versions. So yeah, nothing tells me right now too long. What did you study this weekend? So I was in Miami this weekend, so I did not study anything. Like enjoyed my day, my weekends. You know, when we have weekend, I love to forget about trading, like at all. I try to spend time with my family, with kids, something like this. But yeah, let's see how market wants to open. Encourage the trades to deep discount. Yes, kind of stuck at equilibrium of this range right here. Yeah, nothing tells me too long. We don't have change in the state of delivery, we don't have an inversion, price trying to respect this fair value gap. Maybe it will offer order block right here, which will support my idea to move us lower, where somewhere right here. It's not order block yet, but we will see how it goes. I hope it's going to be order block. Too early to talk about order block on ES, because kind of not in sync right now. Yeah, I have 2 kids. Well, we'll see how it goes. It's kind of choppy right now, but plan remains the same. Yeah, waiting for market open right now. Guys, any questions? So just for now, I like how we enter this breaker block right here on both ES and NQ. Price trying to respect this level so far. Let me like this. So we got breaker block right here. We got a fair value gap, which price trying to respect right now, and Q trying to respect. Let's see if it wants to offer order block, because we don't have order block yet. We cannot long, we cannot short. At least I cannot long, I cannot short. Not enough information for me yet. Just waiting. Oh, this blue box. Oh, actually, that's a good, interesting point right here. So I highlighted this blue box on both yes and NQ. So basically, I highlighted this fair value gap on our chart, but as you can see, I highlighted only unbalanced part, right? So pretty much the balanced part right here. So would like to see price titration to this unbalanced part. I don't know what's the proper name for this, but it's still for our fair value gap, but I'm interested in unbalanced part. Not like on both ES and NQ, but on NQ we are so close to this level, makes sense. And also that's interesting to see. I highlighted this manipulation like right here, right? And first in the deviation sitting at the top of this unbalanced part of fair value gap. So that's why I would like to see like another move forward to move us higher. So basically I would like to see reaction from this so-called fair value gap right here. Maybe it will offer SMT between ES and NQ, maybe. I don't know, but I hope so. Because look at this. ES looks kind of strong right now. Doesn't really want to drop. Stuck at this previous week low level, which is interesting. So we got reaction on both ES and NQ from 15-minute breaker block. Right here and right here. Oops. Price trying to respect. We're also trying to respect fair value gap right here. So just would like to see one more move lower. I hope we are going to get something. You bearish as well. Yeah, okay, yeah, I see. Like I hope to get something. Low resistance liquidity. Agree with you, yeah. You know, I noticed when we have like end of the month, price tends to retrace to monthly open. Obviously, we're like lots of points away from monthly open, but I will not be surprised to see if price wants to really like pump like by the end of April. You know, nothing surprised me anymore. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, let me check. Yeah, overall agree with you. Like move lower looks nice. Just needs to see manipulation up on high time frame first. You know, like accumulation, manipulation, then distribution lower. That's my plan. As you can see, NQ doesn't want to create order block on 15-minute chart, so once again, hard to short this. Also, it failed to offer, actually not failed, it offered inversion right here, but once again, nothing tells me right now to try to trade something. So on CL, I have a plan for CL. That's interesting to see because we got 4-hour sweep right here, and right here, hourly a bit choppy for me, so hard to look for entry. So I want to be like more bearish, but the question where I want to enter, because right now I see zero interest right now to short. I like this down close candle. I like we have an inversion right here. I like how price did trace to this inversion with this move up right here. But once again, right now, nothing tells me to try to short something. Gold. Oh, gold already played out, so. As always, nothing surprised me anymore. So gold, my plan was to trace to order block on 5-minute chart. It failed to retrace, instead just pump higher. Okay. They destroyed my plan. Completely. So waiting for another confirmation because we have SMT between gold and silver so far. Disappointed, like gold doesn't want to overstep me anymore. Really wants to look for long from this order block on 5-minute chart. Because we got SMT between silver and gold on 4-hour chart right here. And it offered hourly sweep, so I was looking for 5-minute order block. Well, it's okay. It's okay. So nothing right now on Q and ES. So market is open. What we have so far, ES trying to break above 15-minute breaker block, which is okay. Need to get some sort of structure if it wants to just go up to New York midnight open. I cannot see any signs yet. Because 15-minute chart for me is medium time frame, and I would like to find something on 15-minute chart to try to confirm my long idea. I don't want to blindly trust 1-minute chart because it looks like market maker buy model, or it offers long setup. 15-minute chart right now tells me nothing. Just for now. I will wait. On 4 chart, pretty much move lower right here. Lots of failure swings, as you can see. That's why I'm looking for like move lower than higher to like clear this low resistance liquidity, right? So basically like this. Back to new, weekly open, new week opening gap. Exactly same plan on ES. Okay, what else do we have? Let me delete this and highlight this 50% of hourly week right here. So far, yeah, price trying to respect 50% of hourly week, while on ES it's still above this level. It's about to offer hourly sweep, so we will find out at 10 a.m. if it's going to be sweep or not. So right now, just a bit tricky in my opinion. So on Q, it trace back to 15-minute breaker block. Still inside this breaker block. It's still trying to respect bearish PD raise. That's why I would like to be more careful with longs right now. Still respecting these levels. Yeah, by the way, guys, this week is week of giveaways. So I'm going to do lots of giveaways this week. Today is going to be, I'm going to give away 3 early premium plan subscriptions for TradeZella. So you can like journal, write your pre-market plan, backtest, forward test, put your statistic from your accounts, create your trades. So yeah, it's going to be amazing. Absolutely perfect giveaway. I also personally bought early subscription for myself. So I like it. So a bit not in sync right now on 15-minute chart. Look how ES trying to respect a breaker block. So it offered a bit choppy, right? So huge move up, huge move down so far. We got sweep right here. But price doesn't really like dropping right now. Doesn't really want to drop right now. Just in Q looks a bit more strong right now. Okay, let's see if it wants to support my idea, because I really want to see lower first. I hope to get something lower. Because I would like to see one more move down to long. It should offer better structure for this. I hope so. Not in sync right now. See how ES really trying to drop right now? Interesting chart. Look at this 5-minute chart. Crazy. Please, one more move lower and I will be happy to see this. Please. Offer perfect Monday for us. So what happens right here? So we got hourly sweep. Let's actually try to analyze this. What happened with this move up right here? So we got hourly sweep. We have nothing on 4 chart, pretty much low resistance to upside and downside as well. So we got hourly sweep. This means we want to switch on 5-minute chart. And what happened with this 5-minute chart? Okay, we simply retraced to 5-minute order block, right? It still has room to go slightly higher on NQ, but ES already inside this order block, huge order block. So still trying to respect a couple of bearish PD rays. Nothing invalidates idea to move us lower. Okay, praying for this. As I said, we need to like invalidate 3 PD rays to consider potential reversal, right? As well. Or continuation. At this point, we need to invalidate like breaker block, fair value gap on 5-minute chart and 5-minute order block. So we invalidate 3 bearish PT rays, and this means invalidation of bearish bias. Probably. Nothing invalidates this. And that's a good sign, actually. So it created order block right here. 10 points. So they tested this order block. Let's see if NQ wants to confirm this, because if NQ wants to confirm this, we actually can consider potential short even lower on ES. I hope so, something like this. Because ES already did trace to this 5-minute order block. It really needs to drop right now. With a solid reaction. So we did trace to 50% of hourly wick. It's not enough. Needs to drop lower, I believe. We have first present fair value gap. Not really. We don't have any yet. But we do have this on. Yeah, happy to see. Oh, absolutely amazing drop. Never was so happy to see drop, honestly. Absolutely amazing drop. Exactly what I want to see. First presented on NQ. I mean, I highlighted this front. Not really, right here, right? So absolutely happy right now with this drop because we got new sell side liquidity sweep. I'm so happy with this. A bit not in sync right now, but it's okay. We still can be early with this. I like that, like we swept both sell side liquidity levels right here. That's actually all I needed. Let me open 1 minute chart on my side screen. So yeah, nothing yet. Also like some sort of equal lows right there, right? Looks nice. Let's see what will happen next. Because in my opinion, it was hard to long, and if market decided to pump like without this drop, I could be disappointed with this because nothing for me at this point too long. At least in my opinion, it didn't make sense to pump first. I mean, like we did trace to this breaker block, amazing, perfect. So not higher. We don't need higher yet. See how strong ES at this point? I mean, it was way better than on NQ. NQ was choppy. Hard to execute something on NQ. So still choppy right now, the sell side liquidity levels. We don't have any signs of reversals yet right here on both ES and NQ. Also hard to draw projections using this leg right here. Yeah, let's wait a bit more. Need to see more obvious picture. Not really obvious yet. Because I want to see a move lower to look for long. It was my plan. With no trade today? Why? I mean, I don't really care. I mean, I'm happy with trades and with no trades. So once again, pretty much accumulation, manipulation to distribute higher. I hope something like this. At least I hope. We need to get structure to try to long. At least to try. We can give it a try first. because we can be a bit early. If we let's say we see setup for long before 10, we can try. But if it's going to fail, we can try after 10 a.m. exactly the same idea. Yeah. I consider today as good price action because last week was pretty much consolidation. So absolutely nothing happened last week. So I anticipate to get this week solid price action every single day. Oh, look, yeah, nothing for long yet. I'm just saying if it wants to over set up for long first, before 10, we can give it a try. Oh, yeah, pretty much balanced. Exactly. So pretty much balanced right here. Right? If it wants to build trailer swings right here, that's good for us. So this means if it wants to continue dropping with no fair value gap or offer somewhere at the bottom, first presented fair value gap inversion. So it's going to be low resistance right here. So I hope so at least. We don't have any order blocks yet, absolutely nothing so far. Just disappointed to see you don't have any first presented fair value gap on ES. And if it can be bearish fair value gap and we can invert this in the future, that's going to be great for us. I hope so. Yeah, not yet. Guys, no longs yet. At least for now. A bit choppy right now. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, I'm tricky right now. I mean, not tricky, just choppy right now. Let's wait. Playing games so far? That's not great. Guys, once again, if you just joined this week, I'm going to give away lots of different stuff. So lots of accounts for giveaway. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe. And tomorrow is going to be new giveaway. If you're not going to win today, you will have a chance tomorrow or on Wednesday or on Thursday or Friday. Oh no, it's not going to be 90% off in Apex. They have 80% right now, so I don't see this as a big deal. 10% difference. I said, no. We will try tomorrow or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yes, right now, both yes and Q my chart right now. I'm waiting for first presented for a while gap to form. So yeah. First presented for a while gap, yes. Sometimes it can be breakable gap. Just for now, we have nothing right here on yes. Here, remember I explained, we got expansion. So yeah, at this point, it can be breakable gap, exactly. So at this point, we anticipate to see market maker sell model. Where it's going to be, and it's hard to say because my my target is still lower. I would like to see 900 right here. Maybe I'm asking too much. Maybe not. But right here, still, I don't really mind to see another move lower. I mean, lower, lower. Include volume. But yeah, I mean, yeah. I hope like we are going to get like solid long setup and first target is going to be first presented fair value gap. I hope so, please. Because right now it's extremely choppy right now, so hard to frame any setup right here. I hope it's not going to be second destroy, please. We don't need second destroy. Offer perfect price action for us. Please. So it makes sense to wait for 10 because it will be new for our candle, hourly candle. So it will offer manipulation. At least we can try to catch expansion. I hope so. In a perfect world, I would like to see another like 100 points lower on NQ. But it's just what I want to see. Ugly 5-minute chart so far. Let me check. Not really ugly, you know. At least it looks more obvious for like this drop looks more obvious on a 5-minute chart rather than check 1-minute chart. But yeah. Also, two different pictures with order block on 5-minute chart. It was right here, while on NQ it's just right here. So absolutely two different charts. Yeah, waiting for another move. I would like to see another like 100 points lower on NQ. And I would like to see price testing this blue box. And right after this, I don't really mind to see reversal. Okay, we got mitigation block right here. Yeah, let's wait. Not going to expect to get like more solid price action. We have SMT. Oh, okay. Maybe I will look for a setup on ES. Let me check SPX real quick. Okay, on SPX, my plan to see move lower as well. So I would like to see SPX taking out, let me delete this level, taking out sell side liquidity right here. We got order block on 15-minute chart right here with 15-minute threshold somewhere right here. Yeah. Sell side liquidity needs to be taken. That's why I would like to see still lower AS and NQ because SPX needs to take sell side liquidity. And then I will look for long. Yeah, I will look for a long once SPX confirms reaction for me. For upside. It can be, for example, order block right here. It can be inversion of this fair value gap to the trace where we got RTH gap right here. Need to wait for confirmation. For example, let's say it offered order block right here. I mean, I don't know yet, but let's say it offered order block, then inverted this fair value gap right here, right? Then long to 50% of this RTH gap. At this point, yes, I will start looking for long. But I would like to keep in mind we have equal lows on SPX lower. So I will look for liquidity lower anyway. What happened? Guys, you're so surprised. We got pump right here. I mean, okay. Trump said something, right? Anyway, we still don't have order block right here and right here. Still no interest in longs. Like at all, no interest right here. I just see like if I want to like look for confirmation, for example, on SPX, it definitely has room to go lower. You cannot reverse from nowhere. And right here, if SPX really wants to reverse, it's going to be from nowhere. Like retracement, maybe. Yeah, I will agree about retracement. If it fails to offer inversion right here, so yeah, it's just retracement to drop to sell side liquidity right here. That's it. Just for now, no interest in longs. I can be wrong just from what I see so far. No reason for me to go higher yet. But I can be wrong, we will see. Just from what I see so far, I see this as retracement, not reversal yet. It's like 950 macro right now. About first presented fair value, that's 1 minute short, right? We got small one right here, extremely small fair value gap. I hope it's going to offer another move lower. Please tell us it was fake move up. We don't need this move up yet. And you know what I noticed right here? See? Another failure swings. Pretty much low resistance. They're trying to build liquidity for us for later, I guess. Like, really good question. Why they failed to take these highs right here? Simply offered some sort of trend line? I'm waiting for another move lower. Giveaway is going to start in 30 minutes. Give us another move lower. We need this. Extremely choppy right now. Hard to even find setup to short something. So, like minor SMT so far, but we need to wait for the closure. 1 minute left. Did I set alert? I forgot. I should write. Yeah, I set. SPX really needs to take sell side liquidity. At least at this point, it may try to validate potential reversal. Without this, it's going to be just reversal from nowhere. Like, a bit lower, please. Just a bit lower, and I will be happy to see this. We got very small first percent fair value gap right here. I'm not entirely sure right now if I can use like the small fair value gap. Can I use this? Such a small fair value gap for first presented fair value gap, or I should use this one? Good question. I cannot, right? Yeah, that's why I asked about this. I'm going to use this one, which makes more sense. A bit lower SPX, please. You're so close. I know you want this. Like 2 points lower, and we can start looking for potential reversal. So order block at this point is going to be right here. Just take it. What is waiting for? Waiting for 10? 5 minutes left. Still did not take this sell side liquidity. I don't understand why they're trying to play games right now. Yes, win side 2 and 2.5 exactly. Oh, we are not bullish right now, no? Just we are so close to downside levels. It will offer the action, I believe. I just see this as potential, once we can reverse, it's going to potential low resistance, probably. Where's my alert? SPX. I did not get alert. Okay, we took sell side liquidity on SPX. Looking for potential reversal soon. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we got order block right here. We have some buy volume right here. Something like this will be nice to see. Yeah, on Tesla, I would like to see lower. On Nvidia, as I already said many times, my buy is lower. I would like to see like another 20 points lower, like $15-20 lower on Nvidia. But Tesla obviously would like to see lower as well. So we have not going to lie, it's going to be move lower. So we have some sort of liquidity levels lower on weekly. So see this, like pretty much equal lows, maybe even lower. So totally possible. At least right here, but if lower, it's okay. But I'm not bullish right now on Tesla, so expect to get move lower. To 100, probably not. But I don't know, like, I don't think so. Yeah, I do trade options sometimes. Oil, I'm bearish on oil, already said that. Would like to see lower on oil. I can check for you if you want. Oh, it's already dropped. It's already dropped. So, yeah, I was bearish on oil. So, what happened with this move up right here? We got hourly sweep. So hard to find order block right here, honestly. Like, what order block I want to use? That's a good question. This one, probably. It'd be choppy, but like height of frame looks more bearish right now. Just market maker, market maker sell model on 1 hour chart. Yeah. Mm. Only annoying right here is so choppy move down. I mean, I'm happy to see this move down, just a bit choppy from here. So we're getting close to this level that I expect to get like 60 points away so far. I believe we will go there on SPX. Another 7-8 points lower. And not like this, I hope so. Something like this. So today, even if we don't have any news, so I was okay to see this drop because last week was so much consolidation. So it was just crazy consolidation. Nothing significant happened last week. And I hope they're going to just finish their job that they had to finish last week. First 2 days. Monday, Tuesday. SPX, it's up to you. So some people trade SPX, some people trade SPY. So it's up to you. SPX simply has gaps, right? I mean, SPY as well if you just want to open RTH chart. But I know, like, I guess not a huge difference, you know? So where's the level we anticipate to get reaction soon? Not maybe reversal, but reaction. So once again, it's up to you. You can try to analyze SPX, you can try to analyze SPY, so you will see what works for you. But nothing wrong with analyzing SPX or SPY to trade ES or NQ, because sometimes it really helps. You know, there's no easy way to trade. If it's going to be options, stocks, futures, I don't care. It's going to be hard if you don't have, I mean, it's like, it doesn't matter if you want to trade options, stocks, futures. It's all about risk management, right? Setup you trade, and discipline, I guess, right? Good morning. 147, maybe it's too much to ask, but this exactly fair value gap on ES is like 60 points lower. I guess that's too much to ask. We have sell side liquidity right here. It may actually take the sell side liquidity. ES and Q may enter this fair value gap, unbalanced part of fair value gap. And then it retrace, at least. How big range? By the way, range today is not that huge overall. Didn't enter this range yet, I believe. So waiting for silver bullet setup right now. So it's time for silver bullet. I hope to get something. Going to highlight this potential OT from here to here. So this, what I anticipate to get? Sell side liquidity taken. We enter in this box right here, unbalanced part of our fair value gap. And anticipate to get SMT for move higher. Retracement higher, at least. because it seems like silver bullet is going to be long. What time is this? Okay, I will start giveaway in 15 minutes, guys. In 14 minutes, to be more specific. At 10:20, I will start giveaway. Of course you can win. Getting close to this huge box. Pretty much huge, right? Like, really huge. Oh, it's not like regular fair value gap, you know. I just highlighted. Let me delete this. I will show you. So we got pretty huge liquidity void right here, right? So, and with this retracement down, price, I guess I can say this, balanced this part of fair value gap, right? But it left unbalanced part right here. So it's still like gap, right? So I anticipate price is going to retrace to this area. So it will try to fill gap right here, unbalanced part, or at least test again for retracement. Does it make sense? So once we enter this box, and let's say ES is going to just as this sell side liquidity, we can get some sort of SMT. It doesn't make sense. So basically, we got huge fair value gap right here, right? So as you can see, we got fair value gap. I hope everyone can see this. We got retracement down where we pretty much balanced only this part of this huge fair value gap, right? So, and it left this part right here, like open part of this gap, fair value gap. So, and just like anticipate to get price retracing down to this gap, unbalanced part of this fair value gap again. Maybe it will offer SMT. I hope so. It's going to offer SMT for retracement. I mean, yeah, lower, still lower because we're still above this gap right here. So bring my drawings back. So I highlighted this box right here. And this box, once again, unbalanced part of this fair value gap, open part of this fair value gap. And I anticipate to see price is going to go there. At least I hope so. Exactly the same idea on ES, but just seems like it's too much to ask for now. For some reason. But I don't mind to see SMT, then reaction higher. The only issue, I guess, like measuring from here to here, it's a bit huge range, like 357 points. And we have a question at this point. What price it wants to do with this? It wants to test, for example, forcing a deviation of 15-minute manipulation leg because it lines up with top of this unbalanced part of fair value gap. I don't know what's the proper name for this, maybe you know. And on ES, it's going to just once again offer SMT. We're looking for long. That's it. That's a plan. So how it goes, I don't know like how it goes. We will see. So sell side liquidity lines up with forced standard deviation of this 15-minute. Oh, let me basically be more specific. Lines up with forced standard deviation of this 15-minute manipulation leg, which also looks good. Yeah, pretty much strong. Agree with you. I mean, yeah. It doesn't mean like I'm bullish for the rest of the week. No. My initial plan was yesterday. Like we're testing this unbalanced part of fair value gap, offering manipulation higher. It's going to be like weekly manipulation higher. Then I will look for another drop. It was my initial plan. If it wants to just drop without any like manipulation up, not good, but it's okay. It's 15-minute chart. Okay, 5-minute chart. Now we didn't talk about 5-minute order block because we got 4 done close candles in a row right here. But you got my plan, so trying to see what we'll get at this point. So for example, it can be 1-minute order block. Try to long for retracement back to OT, something like this. That's the plan. And at this point, I'm not saying that like it will happen. I don't know. We're taking a sell side liquidity, trying to offer exactly the same order block. We will chase to OT. Need to highlight OT. But plan will be something like this. Order block. That's the plan for now. I don't know if something is going to change. Maybe. I don't know. Like for now, just what I have so far from my plan is something like this. Let's see. All I ask, like just another move lower to this gap. Sell side liquidity taken long. At least I will try this. I will give it a try. We will see how it goes. What else do we have? Maybe we have something. Interval. Because I'm trying to find like look at silver and gold right now. It's not in sync. I mean, no SMT, which is strange. I mean, not strange, just hard to find proper entry for this. Well, oh, I'm probably going to use inversion or order block, something like this. If NQ going to enter right here, A is going to take this sell side liquidity, probably it will offer first SMT. I hope it's going to offer SMT and will offer long opportunity. I mean, I just feel like I need to try this anyway. What time is this? I will start giveaway in 5 minutes, guys. Oops. Lots of open fair value gaps in 5-minute chart on both ES and NQ. Sell side liquid is taken on yes. And Q needs to drop another 20 points, and I will start looking for potential retracement. Back to OT. I will adjust this OT, obviously, just waiting. Come on. So close. So SPX inside my zone. I'm going to switch on 2-minute chart. So SPX inside the zone, we anticipate to get potential retracement. So we have RTH gap. So 25% or 50% of this RTH gap will be my levels for retracement. Let's see. So we enter this range. Amazing. Now, waiting for any signs of reversal. That's it, waiting for potential reaction. I mean, right now, makes sense to retrace. We got flat candle right here. It's not order block, it's flat candle. We'll highlight this as liquidity. Now just need to wait for entry. Any entry that confirms potential long. Just in my opinion, right now we at the zone where we can see potential retracement back to premium. At least of this leg right here. Which margin gap? Which one? I'm going to send the form for giveaway in 1 minute, guys. By the way, guys, what kind of giveaways you want to see from me? Like, what you want to see on giveaways? I'm going to send the form. And I'm going to send this right now. So guys, I sent the form. I'm going to pin this message right now. So in order to enter this giveaway, just fill this form and I will pick winners at 11. So you have like 40 minutes. So back to price action. But once again, guys, this giveaway for subscribers only. So I can like see if you're subscribed to my channel or not. If you're not subscribed to my channel, so it's not going to count. So you need to be subscribed to my channel to participate in this. Let me duplicate this. I'm going to open the screen right now. Waiting for confirmation to my chat on SPX as well. Okay, I will announce winners at 11. So good luck. 2-minute chart. So I hope to get something, like power of 3 to OT, not higher. Right now, not just ready to look for any buy side liquidity or something like this. Yes, once. You can enter only once. So what I want to use at this point, flat candle, probably 2-minute inversion for a value gap to enter the trade. Just anticipate to get potential, power of 3. For anything, anything you like. Potential, 2-minute inversion, order block, something. Order block or inversion. That's what I want to see. Kisses give. No. Potential inversion. Yeah, we will see. But this week is going to be lots of giveaways, guys. Lots of giveaways. I mean, every single day giveaway. Flat candle, it's just wickless candle. This candle doesn't have wick. So right now, just going to wait for any confirmation, which is can be order block or inversion for a value to give it a try. Not going to use big size, just to try. Maybe I will add more to my position. Christmas came early. Not trades yet. I'm waiting right now. On SPX, I also would like to see inversion. Because I didn't anticipate to get, something similar to power of 3. Let me open 5-minute chart somewhere. Yeah. No fair value gaps, but we do have order block. A bit choppy on silver right now, which is, it's not 5-minute. Seems like market maker sell model right now. Don't you remind to see another move lower to the sell side liquidity on a silver. Sure. Only issue right now is sitting for value gap, no fair value gaps. Yeah, silver looks bearish. Would like to see sell side liquidity taken. Seems like market maker sell model right now. Just another move up to offer first stage of distribution. Then down. Let's set alert right here if it wants to test this level. SPX. Nothing yet. But that's it. I don't have like targets lower for today. For today. Guys, I pinned the message with form to enter giveaway. So if you want to enter giveaway, just fill this form. And good luck. So chat right now. Playing games so hard. Honestly, expected like a bit more interesting pictures this week as today. By the way, guys, if you're interested in more giveaways next month, like lots of different giveaways next month, just put giveaway in the chat so I will see how many people interested in giveaways. So I will announce winner today at 11. So you still have 30 more minutes to enter giveaway. And quick reminder, today I'm going to give away 3 early premium plan subscriptions from TradeZella. So you can backtest, forward test, journal, put your pre-market plan there, analyze your trades, analyze your statistic, like everything in there. Absolutely amazing tool. I use this like every single day for everything. Then I am open. This PX is trying right now. Let me see. I guess it's not going to be proper in terms of this reward. Yeah, absolutely ugly. But still going to be a 2R. Need to create inversion first. So it will validate this idea. But need to create... No, we are not long yet. I'm just trying to analyze what I want to do. If it wants to create inversion, then I potentially will look for long. My plan for now, something like this, but for only with inversion fair value gap. If no inversion, like forget about any longs. Only with inversion fair value gap. Because for now, nothing, absolutely nothing. For some reason, I feel like today was extremely choppy for me. Just like really expected to see a bit more. Like in hindsight, yes, this inversion was nice to this unfilled part of fair value gap on fair chart, but overall kind of choppy. Giveaway is going to be today at 11. So I already pinned post with giveaway. So if you just go to pin message in the chat, you will see like form for giveaway to enter giveaway. And for today, it's going to be TradeZella. Oh, it's not valid yet, unfortunately. I'm going to switch right now. So just see how we're trying to respect fair value gap right here and see how yes, really not ready to pump yet. And that's kind of annoying, but okay. Just not sure what they want to do because we already reached my level for the day. So I don't have any levels lower. I mean, this line right here is for standard deviation. That's all I have. And then unless they want to, I know. Let me see this one. Sweep. Unless they want to offer order block on 3-minute chart, but once again, only levels that I have lower is for standard deviation right here. I don't really have any levels lower, but I do have only yes. Exactly same fair value gap right here. But what I want to aim for on Q at this point, that's a great question. Because ideally I want to see OT, and if it wants to drop, like then lower. Because right now we're at the area where I anticipate to see retracement. It's not ready yet. But all I have lower is projections. That's it. I don't have any other levels lower. Or the fair value gap. Yes, he doesn't want to offer any reaction higher yet, which is strange. SPX simply stuck. As you can see on SPX, I'm looking for like 2-minute inversion to validate my long, like right here. It just doesn't want to drop. I mean, pump right here. Still bearish. A bit annoying, but okay. So far, yes, we have SMT between yes and Q, but zero reaction. Okay, we got inversion on NQ already. That's great. Let's see if yes will do this. If so, that's going to be amazing. So first key levels that I'm looking right now is 10 a.m. open. Oops. 10 a.m. open. Waiting for ES to invert this fair value gap. Let's see. ES needs to confirm this. We will try then. No, I'm waiting for confirmation on ES to enter the trade on NQ. Sounds strange, but it is what it is. Yes, for 2-minute inversion on ES. So we got flat candle run right here on 1-minute chart. We just inverted this 1-minute fair value gap on NQ. We did not invert this on ES. SPX so close to inverting fair value gap as well. Five-minute chart doesn't have order block yet. Just be careful. Nothing yet. Honestly, ready to give up with today's price action. It's already too late. I anticipate to get like silver bullet for before 10:30. Guys, you still have 20 more minutes to enter giveaway. Or we drop 2% on NQ. Yes, trying. SPX trying. If it fails right now, that's it for today. Just, are you serious? SPX failed so far. Never was so annoying like right now. But yes, all for this, right? That's crazy. See what happened on SPX? It's okay. I guess ES confirms this. Okay, I will look for long right now. Since ES confirmed this long idea. Waiting for another retracement to try this. So right now, what I anticipate to get? Open, probably low, high, close. So I consider this move right here as manipulation. Like open, high, low, close, if it makes sense. No limit orders. I will use market order. SPX is about to offer, that's perfect. SPX is about to offer inversion, waiting for another retracement to try long. I will give it a try at least. So far, minor SMT between ES and Q. So 10 a.m. open failed to be taken. So if it's going to retrace right now, 10 a.m. open needs to be taken in my humble opinion. Where is my 10 a.m. right here? 10 a.m. by the way lines up with flat candle, right? Oh, you cannot see this. Anyway, I'm just highlighting 10 a.m. open on ES. What about linear chart? Yeah. Basically, we have SMT right here and we have SMT right here between ES and Q on both sides. A bit annoying right now. What I see so far, guys, just want to show you. We have like SMT right here and right here, right? Come on. We have flat candle right here, which is 10 a.m. open. We have volume imbalance higher. Yeah, we have inversion. Guys, sitting with 0 trades so far. Like, just took 0 trades so far. A bit annoying, but it's Monday, so I guess I don't need to be upset with this. Just no interest right now in trading. So we chased to OT so far. I'm not sure about gold, but I'm bullish on silver right now. Would like to see sell side liquidity taken. So I normally trade 20 fund accounts with Apex. So yeah, we have SMT on both sides. It's not about this. Just I'm not going to lie. I'm not feel comfortable right now to execute something, especially with this SMT right now. I mean, I really want to see 10 a.m. open taken, but the question right now, what's the point of this SMT? Which is annoying. Especially offer this breaker block on 1 minute chart right now. It looks not good for me to try. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm probably not going to execute today anything. Just, I'm not going to nothing I like so far. I'm just not going to lie, I don't really feel comfortable right now about my long. I mean, I can be wrong, just overall, like if you want to go on 15-minute chart, right here is nothing good right now, especially with SMT. Maybe I'm wrong, but no. It doesn't look bullish right now, at least anymore. The only issue right now, I don't have levels lower. That's the problem. But I don't really like long right now. But I do like 10 a.m. open to be taken. If not right now, my PM session will take this because we got flat candle on ES right here. Sometimes less trade is better than more trade. Anyway, I'm going to give away in 10 minutes. Flat candle. I mean, this candle doesn't have wick. This candle doesn't have manipulation. You know, I don't want to ignore any setups because someone said I need to ignore them. It's not about this. I just don't feel right now comfortable to trade something. Only issue right now, once again, if you just go on 15-minute chart, you can see this already. Look at this. Absolutely nothing right now tells me at least to try too long. I mean, I don't really mind, but guys, today is Monday. I mean, nothing to force. But I'm doing giveaway today at 11, so you still have 10 more minutes to enter this giveaway. I pinned the message with form. Just fill this form, and I'm going to do giveaway of 3 premium plan for 1 year subscription on TradeZella. So you can backtest, forward test, journal, put your pre-market plans there, analyze your trades, everything you want to do with this. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm not going to execute today from what I see so far. At least I'm not going to execute lunch and AM session. Maybe PM will offer something. We are going to wait for giveaway, guys. You can ask questions right now because I'm not going to execute anything. I don't like right now price action. Nothing tells me right now to trade something. I mean, we got breaker block on 1 minute chart, which supports idea for continuation lower probably with SMT between ES and Q. It left 10 a.m. open, which is my concern because we got flat candle right here, like wickless candle. But they may actually wait for maybe PM session. Maybe for something. I don't know. Like I will see. I cannot see the future. I will see what PM may offer something. But once again, nothing to hide. I took 0 trades today. As you can see, my 0 balance right here. Just not for me. If someone took trades, congratulations, you did an amazing job. Just, I didn't see what I wanted to see today. No speed, absolutely nothing. Also, we have lots of exactly earnings this week, especially lots of earnings for after hour. Market's going to close. So yeah. Feeling sad? I'm not really sad. just feels like I wasted my time, which I hate to do. But it's okay. I mean, sometimes no trade is better than taking any trade. Like this difference when no trades at all because I didn't see like setup or something like this, and another point when you saw setup and you decided to stay away, for example, you miss this trade. There is difference. At this point, I could be sad, but right here, I didn't feel like I didn't see A plus setup at all today for me, and that's why I'm not really sad. Just like annoying that I wasted my time on this. Because I can be like so upset when I saw textbook setup and I decided to stay with, for example, I miss this. But today I didn't even see like A minus setup. I could anticipate something, for example, long to a 10 a.m. open or something like this, but I'm not going to lie, I didn't see this as even A minus setup. Just anticipated to see, but market absolutely doesn't care what I anticipate to see, right? So no setup, no trade at this point, and no reason to predict something. I need to chase the market, not what I want to see. And I didn't see good. Probably my view today was wrong. Just nothing for me. Giveaway starts in 5 minutes, guys. Right now we have lots of people participating in giveaway. That's interesting. Answer section, anything you want. Like, you can put anything you want. You can miss this section. You just... for some reason, feel like we need to retrace, if not right now, later to the 10 a.m. open because we got flat candle. And this is going to be flat candle on every single time frame. So basically, what do I mean by this? I'm going to show you right now. See? So once hourly candle, hourly candle opened, right? So it offered what? Open, low, where is high? We don't have high of this candle yet. It's just lines up with open. So it just feels like this candle didn't have manipulation. If it wants to close bearish, it's going to be strange. So basically, it looks like this so far, right? And if it wants to look like this, makes sense to offer delayed manipulation. What do I mean by this? This next candle, not right here, offer this move up. So offer delayed manipulation, if you understand what I mean by this. Make sense? That's why I was looking for long simply to feel this part right here. So basically, it's 4-hour chart right here, it's 1-hour chart right here, and once candle open, I didn't have manipulation. If it wants to close, down close, like bearish candle, right? The problem with this is where's manipulation? And if it doesn't want to offer manipulation, it makes sense to offer delayed manipulation, so-called delayed manipulation. And this is going to be, if not with this candle, probably because it like 4 minutes left, maybe with next candle, it will offer like move right here to simply sweep this high right here. Enter, for example, hourly fair value gap. It will offer delayed manipulation, as I said already before. And if it wants to continue dropping, I will agree with you. Like for continuation lower, but I hope it makes sense right now, right? We got small wick right here. We got small wick right here, small wick right here. But the only issue, we did not have any wick on yes. That's why I was looking for potential long, and I call this like retracement, not reversal, because in my opinion, this makes sense to offer this move up to 10 a.m. open. That's why I'm a little bit like annoying, because it makes sense, but I cannot see any opportunity to enter. That's why it's annoying. Okay, I will start giveaway in 3 minutes. I just will keep in mind that probably I'm going to leave this level for the rest of the day, because it's going to be potential drawn liquidity. For PM, I don't know like what PM may offer. If it's going to be like perfect price action, I can go live. But right now, anyway, if I am a bit choppy, normally PM looks great. If PM is going to be great, probably I will go live. For copier, I use this copier. I mean, I'm satisfied with this. Yeah, if it was nice price action for you, I'm happy for you. Like, perfect. I just said like I didn't see what I wanted to see, like, for me. It doesn't mean like it will go lower. Just for me right now makes sense. So if not just right now, but I will keep my eyes on this level, and you also can highlight the name open in your chart. I mean, on NQ, yeah, looks good to me, but on yes, it makes more sense to retrace to the name open simply because we don't have manipulation there. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. So guys, you still have 50 seconds to enter giveaway. How to enter? You can see pinned message in the chat. Just fill this form. Yeah, if I will see like price action, like good price action, I might actually go live. But right now, just not for me. I'm not saying it's bad price action. No, it's just not for me. Okay, guys, it's 11 a.m. I'm going to do a giveaway right now. We have 11. That's it. Right now we have. Give me 1 second. Don't want to show. For now, we have. I guess I cannot. Okay, I cannot just. We have 563 entries. I mean, that's a lot. So I'm not going to count. It's not going to count if you not subscribe to my channel. It's not going to count if you enter it twice. Well, so I'm going to pick right now. Who can actually show this? From 2 to 563. Okay, first winner is 66. I'm going to just pin this on my chart. So you guys, that's first winner. I will give names in a couple of seconds. Give me 1 second. Next winner is 274. And last one, 253. Okay, guys, I pick 3 winners. And these winners are 66. Who is first person? YouTube username 66. I'm just going to put names Okay, first winner is 66. How can I? That's first winner. Next winner, 274. $274 is. Oh, scroll down. Oh, that's a big name. I will never ever going to pronounce this. So that's our second winner. And last one, 253. 253 is. So that's winners for today. Do we have these people in the chat? Congratulations. It's a scam. Don't worry. We'll try again tomorrow. So that's our 3 winners. No. I see one person right here. So I'm going to send you email with your coupon codes to get free accounts today. Market scam. So tomorrow I'm going to do giveaway of accounts. So don't worry, guys. Oh, you won. Congratulations. I see 2 winners right here. Where is third person? Yeah, I will send email. Just coupon code. You need to enter this coupon code at checkout, and it's going to give you free account for 1 year. So for 1 year, not just for 1 month, for 1 year. So you can backtest strategies there. You can journal. You can do whatever you want there because it's just all in one software. Not TradeZella tomorrow. So guys, congratulations who won this perfect giveaway because I personally highly recommend this. Yeah guys, tomorrow I will do giveaway of accounts. This account is not going to have activation fee. You just need to pass and you will get like account with no activation fee. So guys, any other questions? So guys, congratulations. I will send you email with your coupon codes. You just need to enter them. You're going to find out tomorrow what kind of account is going to be. I have different options, so. Okay guys, I will see you for now tomorrow because I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to trade PM. But if so, I will see you in PM session. We will see, so I'm not going to promise for PM session something. So here's the winners once again. Congratulations, you will get email today. If any other important questions, you can ask on Twitter. Yeah guys, have a perfect day. Maybe I will stream today PM session, but I'm not going to promise this. Depends. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow. Take your time, don't make stupid mistakes, and I hope tomorrow we are going to get A+ setup. I hope so at least. Okay? Bye guys!